Why did I embrace products over talent? Family, I'm from a rural area, born in Little Rock, raised in Southeast Arkansas. And being down in Southeast Arkansas, for those who don't know, it's a lot of cotton fields down there. It's a plantation area. So the living has always been hard from where I'm from. The education has never been up to par where I'm from. So I grew up looking up to people who knew how to hustle, who knew how to maintain in those tough times. And when we start out doing something, we want to learn the skills to make money. We just want to make money, fam. And then, I end up getting caught up and going to prison and staying there from 16 to 26, fam. It taught me a lot about people. It taught me a lot about America, about society, about how things are. And I realized that after I got out of prison from doing a decade in prison, that I got out and I started working for other companies. As I worked for these different companies, I realized certain things reminded me of prison. The way they talked to me, different things I had to do, how I had to bite my tongue, so to speak, just to try to make some money. And there it was just, I'm in the system and I'm trying to get out of it. So I created and embraced products over talent because once I finished working, I said, man, I'm going to do my own thing and be independent. Well, independent just means I'm not working for them, I'm working for me. But I'm working all the time. And if I'm not working and making money, then I'm not making any money. And then even when I go and present myself to these different companies, family, I was having to do some shady stuff, I would say, just to get the jobs. I got to go pay someone else to go and represent me in the meeting. Because once they see me with long beard and gold teeth, they tend to judge me soon as I get to the door. So I send someone else in there to represent me to get the bid. And I show up to do the work. They have no problem with me showing up because I'm a field person, Oh, you work for so-and-so? Yeah, I work for Hog On. They sent me out here. I'm the foreman to do the job. That's what I used to have to do. I'm just the foreman. Not knowing that I was the owner of the company too, but I had to go through so many hurdles, family. Even from working, from being independent, both of them. It was the system that just is not fair. You get to see the true nature of things. But one thing I realized though, with products over talent, I wasn't being judged. I wasn't being judged by what I looked at like. I wasn't being judged by my background and my past where I was from. I was judged by my product, how good it is,